Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Cricket Icon 3. So the Cricket Icon 3 is now here at Cricket Wireless. It's available as of October 8th. So yeah, this is a new budget phone for Cricket. It's available in Maritime Blue there. So yeah, this is the third generation of the Cricket Icon series from Cricket. So pretty cool there. So it's $89.99. Of course, and there's like no discounts or nothing like that out on the phone. So yeah, so there's the phone there in front of you. You guys have a teardrop notch with front facing camera, power and volume keys on the right side of the phone there. On the left side of the phone is your micro SD card slot and your SIM card slot right up here. And then on the back of the Cricket Icon 3 is your camera flash, fingerprint sensor, and your Cricket logo. And it kind of looks like the Cricket Dream 5G on the back of the phone. So yeah, kind of a little bit of the Cricket Dream 5G, which that phone recently came out as well. So yeah. So you guys can also get this phone monthly as well, which I don't know why y'all guys would, but if you guys want to pay monthly for it, you guys have the option to do that. It's $30 a month at 0% APR with the firm. So that's like kind of cool, I guess, if you guys want to pay monthly for it, which I don't know why you guys would. So quick specs on the Cricket Icon 3: 6.5 inch display, 8 megapixel main camera, 32 gigabytes of storage. Says so introducing Cricket Icon 3, a smartphone everyone will love, offering a vivid cinema size 6.5 inch HD plus display, perfect for binge watching and browsing the web. Easily snap and share memories using the 8 megapixel rear camera while capturing picture perfect selfies with the 5 megapixel front camera. The long-lasting 3500 mAh battery provides all day connectivity, so you can work and stay connected with friends and family longer. Enjoy the latest Android 11 security and privacy features. So that's pretty cool. So of course, with all these Cricket branded smartphones, you guys do get a 2-year worry-free warranty from Cricket. So that's pretty nice to have. A massive 6.5 inch HD plus scratch resistant display, 8 megapixel rear camera, 5 megapixel front camera, up to 32 gigabytes of internal storage, expandable with a micro SD card slot, 3500 mAh battery with battery saver mode, convenient rear fingerprint sensor, and Android 11 on board. So pretty cool there. Features: vivid cinema size display, massive scratch resistant 6.5 inch HD plus with notch display, is perfect for binge watching and some browsing. Snap photos like a pro, an 8 megapixel rear camera offers HDR panorama and time-lapse modes, while the 5 megapixel front camera featuring mirror and beauty modes capture perfect selfies. Long-lasting power: Icon 3's long-lasting 3500 mAh battery with battery saver mode provides all-day connectivity, so you can work and stay connected longer. So it's pretty cool there. The specs on this phone are decent. This is a budget phone, so do keep that in mind. It runs Android 11, so it's very nice. Dimensions are 6.69 inches height, nice. 3.4 inches width, 3.35 inches depth. Display, like I said, 6.5 inches. That is an HD plus display. You do have a notch display. Memory up to 32 gigabytes of internal storage, expandable with micro SD. I don't know the RAM. I'm gonna say it's I don't know the RAM. It's probably either 2 or 3 gigabytes of RAM. I guess, I don't know. It's either 2 gigabytes of RAM or 3 gigabytes of RAM. I'm not really sure about that because they don't tell us. Connectivity options: you do get 4G LTE, no 5G. Wi-Fi 8 at 211, ABGN and AC, Bluetooth 5.1, USB-C for 3.5mm headphone jack. So there is no headphone jack, so you guys will have to use Bluetooth headphones or use an adapter. I don't know if it comes with an adapter or not. Hopefully it comes within an adapter. Hopefully it does, but we'll see about that. So there's no headphone jack, which is surprising, but it's surprising, but at the same time it's not surprising. So yeah, cameras, like I said, 8 megapixel camera with 4x zoom, front camera 5 megapixel with Full HD videos. I think both cameras do record in Full HD, I believe. So yeah, processor 1.8 GHz quad-core processor, 3500 mAh battery. It is internet compatibilities there. Accessories. I mean, alright. They do got some accessories for this one here. Bet you guys might be able to get it from Cricket, because I doubt Amazon has them. But y'all guys can try Amazon, I guess. So y'all guys got a couple cases, screen protectors, and stuff like that here. So yeah. So if you guys are looking to get a budget phone for your kids or whatever, or a backup phone for yourself or whatever, the Cricket Icon 3 is worth checking out. This is a budget phone, so don't expect a whole lot from it. It does have Android 11 on it, which that's pretty nice. Has a 2-year warranty, which is pretty cool. A lot of phones don't have that, so this has a 2-year warranty on it, so that's a great peace of mind there. It does have a Type-C charging. It doesn't have a headphone jack. It doesn't have one. So hopefully it comes with an adapter. Hopefully it does. I'm not sure if it does or not. So yeah, you guys wanna check out the Cricket Icon 3. It's not here available. It's not here at Cricket Wireless for $89.99. No discounts or nothing like that. So if you're switching to Cricket or if you're upgrading to this one, it's $89.99 regardless if you're a new customer, current customer, or whatever. So yeah, so you guys can also pay monthly for it, which I don't know why you guys would do that. It makes no fucking sense, but the option is there to pay for it monthly. So yeah, so there you guys go. The Cricket Icon 3 is now here at Cricket Wireless. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It will help me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.